Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Linux fundamentals right here on HTB Academy. Our focus? Those juicy sections nestled under the shell and workflow categories. But why not just tackle the whole module in one go? Well, it's all thanks to your fantastic feedback. Many of you awesome followers out there have asked for some sweet audio explanations to make things even more digestible. So, we've designed this to be a real treat. Now, you know the drill. We'll be skipping the more theoretical bits and diving headfirst into the exercises because we know that's what you're all about. Let's get started. Ah, look what we've got here. We stumbled upon some exercises in the System Information section. So, let's fire up our target system and grab that VPN connection file. Let's dive into the man page of the uname command to discover our machine's hardware name. And voila, there it is, the -m or -- machine option. The answers to the next three questions in this section can be located within the environment variables. So, all you need to do is type uname-r to display the kernel release. You can locate the MTU by running the IP address command. For the ENS192 interface, the MTU is set at 1500, whereas the loopback interface boasts a whopping MTU of 65536. Alright, let's kick things off with the first question from the Navigation section. Our mission: discover the name of a hidden history file tucked away in the HTB user's home directory. And guess what? Our trusty old friend, the man page, has the inside scoop. It tells us that all you need is ls-i or --inode to print out the index number of a file. So, once again, we're diving into the world of last modified files and the elusive inode numbers. And now, let's have some fun with the options in the find command. One special option that deserves a spotlight is the -newer MT. This little gem allows you to compare the modification time of files in your search with the reference time you provide. But hey, perhaps we should consider using -newer BT, which lets you compare the birth time of files in your search with the reference time you provide. Let's summon the wizard to reveal the mystical full path of the XXD binary. So, it's the same old find command, teaming up with WC to count those lines. But hold on to your hats, because the real magic happens with apt. When you run apt list without any options, it generously displays all the packages. But to spice things up, we'll throw in the -- installed option to filter out only the installed packages. That number 738 is just counting that introductory line, listing. So, when we subtract that, we're left with the actual count of installed packages, which is 737. In the final segment of this video, we're diving into some advanced filtering techniques. We'll kick it off by tallying up the number of services that are actively listening on all interfaces. Now, when we say all interfaces, we mean those services that are bound to both IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. Just a quick decoding for you: those square brackets with a colon in between stand for any IPv6 address, while the asterisk and 0.0.0.0 represent any IPv4 address. Meanwhile, spotting the user who's running the Pro FTPD service is a breeze. You can find that information right in the output of the PS command. Easy peasy. Now, this grep command, armed with Perl regular expressions, is on a mission. It's out to capture everything from https www.inlanefreight.com up to the next double quote or question mark it encounters. Interestingly, when we look at the output below, the second line seems identical to the first, yet there's a twist. The accepted answer for the last question is 34, not 33 as you might expect. If you happen to spot 34 unique outputs, please do let us know.